Hey there, folks. If you're looking to make sending money as easy as texting a friend, then Zelle is your new best buddy. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to sign up for Zelle, so you can start transferring funds in no time. First off, what's Zelle? It's a fast, safe, and free way to send and receive money directly from your bank account, supported by many major banks in the US. But before we dive in, make sure you have a few things ready. A compatible bank account. Zelle works with over 1,900 banks and credit unions, a smartphone or tablet, and the Zelle app downloaded from your app store. If your bank is partnered with Zelle, you might even sign up directly through your bank's app, which is super convenient. Alright, let's get to the steps. Step 1. Download the Zelle app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Once it's installed, open the app and tap on Get Started. You'll need to enter your mobile phone number or email address, the one you want associated with your Zelle account. Zelle will then send a verification code to that number or email, so keep an eye out for it. Enter the code in the app to verify your identity. Next, link your bank account. Select your bank from the list provided, or search for it if it's not immediately visible. You'll be prompted to log in to your bank's website or app to authorize the connection. Don't worry, this is secure. After that, Zelle might ask you to confirm some details, like your name and address, to ensure everything matches your bank records. Once verified, you're all set up. You can now send money to friends and family by entering their phone number or email. One quick tip. Always double-check the recipient's info to avoid mistakes, and remember that transfers are usually instant, so there's no going back. If you run into any issues, like your bank not being supported, check Zelle's website for alternatives or contact your bank's support. There you have it. That's how to sign up for Zelle in just a few minutes. It's a game changer for splitting bills or sending gifts. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy transferring.